So you want to get a first impressions of the Curl Chemistry papaya fruit and argan oil extract line. Well, this is a video for you. I recently got the cocoa mint mask, and so I decided to also pick up the papaya and argan oil range because I've never actually used it before, and I'm super excited. What I bought this for is actually for my daughter and my husband. So Eden and Luther are going to be using this. The reason I got them an additional product, normally we all share and use the same products, but I'm hoping that the scent of this is going to be balanced enough for him to enjoy it, and that it's not too strong, so that I know that Eden's eyes won't burn and so on. And I know that Curl Chemistry is kid friendly, but let's see what these products look like on first glance, on first impression. First of all, I love the leaves that's on the background. I love the information. It's awesome packaging. Sulfate free, mineral oil free, silicone free, with argan oil and papaya fruit extract. What I like about Curl Chemistry ingredients is that you can see that it focuses a lot on those important ingredients for our hair, and you can tell that it's been made with like knowledge of the natural hair customers and what we like, because I don't see anything that looks like a sulfate or anything harmful like that. And also the main ingredients are very high up on the list, and you won't find something like coconut oil or shea butter in their shampoos, because those are more sealing ingredients that you want in the styler. That's what you actually find. Like in the conditioner, there is your castor oil, your fruit olive oil, and these are things that are going to soften your hair, so that's why that's in this. And then in your buttercream, there's where you find the coconut oil and the heavier, more sealing oils. So you can tell like this is made with a lot of care to the ingredients. We'll start with the shampoo. You can open up the tube. Wow. On sniff test, it's very fruity. I love how fruity it is. It's like nothing you will find in your non-natural shampoos and conditioners. Like we always have like the tropical lovely scents, and this is amazing. The scent, I don't know what papaya smells like, and I'm not sure if it smells like papaya, but it does smell like tropical fruits. So now let's see the consistency. I'm gonna just pour a little bit on my hand. Okay, so it is a cream cleansing shampoo, and I wonder if that means it's a co-wash. But if I look at the consistency, I don't think it's a co-wash, because then it would have said co-wash. It's still called a shampoo. But it is very creamy, and so that already gives me the idea that it's very moisturizing. So if I spread it around, you can see it's like this. The pomegranate one is very clear. It's more like a gel, the pomegranate shampoo. So I understand now why they call this a cream cleansing shampoo, because it's very creamy. It feels very soft, and it seems like it's already lathering like a soap on my hand, so that's a good sign. I know that it's going to lather on my hair as well. On to the conditioner. So I love the fact that it's a detangling conditioner. Even though I use water to detangle my hair, like I only have water on my hair when I detangle, what I use before that step is very important for my actual detangling process. So if I use a moisturizing shampoo and a detangling conditioner before, it makes it very easy for me going forward. So that's why I would love to try this and see how it actually helps my detangling process, and especially for my daughter, that's very important. I do use conditioner when I detangle her hair. She needs that extra moisture, and she can't yet handle a lot of pulling and stuff. So this is very creamy as well. Oh, it smells great. You can see how it spreads. This to me is quite similar to the other Curl Chemistry conditioner, although that is a deep treatment, I believe. So this is a rinse out conditioner to help with detangling. So I'm quite impressed with this. I think it will have a lot of slip on the hair. Okay, so here we go with another sellotape. So this is some ASMR for you guys who like ASMR. The Cold Chemistry Buttercream. It also has all the ingredients of the other products. So I'm just gonna go straight and open it, and then I'm gonna give it a whiff. Okay, so the papaya is not that strong in this one as with the shampoo and conditioner, but that makes sense because this is the product you're gonna leave into your hair. So if you enjoy like less concentrated products in terms of smell, then this one is great for that, because you do want your hair to smell good, but you don't want to smell it all the time. Sometimes it can give you a headache, sometimes people make remarks, but there is enough for your hair to smell great. I think it will be. Oh wow, so this is like a whip. This is like a mousse whip type of consistency, and I think this is gonna be awesome on your hair because your hair is gonna soak it up, and then it's also gonna add that moisture, but there's also sealing ingredients in here. So like I said, there is your Jamaican black castor oil that's going to promote growth. There's coconut oil that's going to seal moisture in and add strength, protein, and so on. And then avocado oil that's going to soften and also strengthen. Yeah, so there's a lot of moisturizing ingredients in here, and the very last ingredient is your perfume, so that's why your scent isn't that strong. And I think that is a very positive thing, especially when you're thinking about using your products on your kids. I'm doing something really bad, is putting cream on dry hair, but I just don't want to waste the product. I'm gonna be smelling like a tropical garden, but yeah, so I just didn't want to waste that. But like I was saying, with perfume being the last ingredient, that's how you know it's like really, it's gonna be good for your kids, because especially the shampoo, it's not going to burn their eyes and stuff. I've already done the cocoa mint mask first impression, so have a look at that video if you haven't already, and I'll see you in that one. Or if you want to know about the pomegranate range, I do have a video about that as well, so I'll put both those videos up, and I will then see you in those videos.